Welcome to preparing images in Photoshop for value change. For this lesson, you will need to choose an image of an iconic chair to download. I have chosen the Pantone S chair. I will show you how to search for a royalty-free image through Google Images. Next, type in the name of the iconic chair or the designer in which you want to search for. Now look at the top of your screen to Settings. Pick There and then Advanced Search. Switch the setting from Not Filtered by License to Free to Use or Share. Check under Usage Rights to make sure that you have permission to use that image. Select the image from the angle in which you wish to replicate. Hover your mouse over the photo. Right mouse click on a PC or control pick on a Mac to get this mini menu. From the mini menu, select Save Image As. It is now important in the order of operations for you to go to Adobe Photoshop. Next, go to the File pull-down menu and pick Open the file. You'll have to navigate to where you downloaded it previously. We now have the image that we want on the screen. We're going to try to create value contrast by first dumping out the color of this chair. To do that, go to the Image pull-down menu, Mode, which is the first choice, and select Grayscale. When asked if you want to discard the color information, pick the Discard button here. Now you'll see that your image has transferred from a color file to a grayscale file. To further the value contrast, let's go back to the Image pull-down menu and pick Adjustments. From Adjustments, a flyout menu will take you to Brightness Contrast. In the lower part of the brightness contrast screen, pick Use Legacy. Bump up the brightness value and the contrast value. You're going to begin to see very light, very dark, and in-between values of the chair. My brightness for this image is at 36 and the contrast is 47. That will vary very differently from image to image. But when you have enough value change, as I do here, then you can hit OK. For our purposes, you will need at least 3 different changes of value: light, medium, dark. I'm going to try for a little bit more contrast, and the next tool that will help us achieve that is also under the Image pull-down menu, Adjustments, and from here we'll pick Posterize. Once we pick Posterize, you can really start to see the change of values. You can even see the shadows. I'm going to bump up the value change to around 15 through 20. Somewhere in that range of 15 to 20, you're going to have some really interesting effects. Once you have a value change, again, of at least light, medium, and dark, then you're okay to print this image. I have more changes than that on my screen. I actually have 5 different numerical value changes. Once you have it the way you want, hit OK. The next thing we want to do is print this image.